Why are only some people able to consistently accomplish what they truly desire, while the majority of people continue to struggle? What is that difference between the top 1% and the other 99%? If you are struggling to accomplish your greatest goals or live the life of your dreams, let me share with you a powerful equation that can help you accomplish what you desire every single time. If you get this equation right, you will be able to activate the law of attraction and get what you desire. However, if you do not get this equation right, you will continue to struggle to accomplish your dreams. The equation is how you activate the law of attraction, and it has 4 different components. Let's talk about them. Component number 1 of the law of attraction equation is your thoughts. Let's jump into this component. To understand this component well, we need to understand why our thoughts are so powerful. Every thought activates a specific kind of vibration. The more you think a specific thought, the more of that kind of vibration it creates. A small thought, when consistently focused on, becomes larger and more powerful over time. It generates emotional vibrations of a specific kind, and according to the law of attraction, every vibration created attracts vibrations of similar nature back to you. Consider yourself as a magnet, attracting all that you think and feel about every single moment. You always attract what you think and feel, regardless of whether you want it or not. If you feel poor, you cannot attract money. If you feel like a failure, success will always elude you. This is the essence of the law of attraction. So now let's understand how thoughts play into the law of attraction. The law of attraction responds to your thoughts at all times. These could be thoughts about your past, your present, or your future. Your thoughts activate a vibration which the law responds to in your present, right now. Let's say you had an argument with someone in the past. Recalling it now is activating those vibrations in your present, affecting your current point of attraction. Your now is the foundation of the law of attraction. So our job is to focus only on those thoughts that align with our desire. These thoughts in turn generate positive vibrations that will affect your point of attraction. Every thought, every moment is affecting what you will get in life. The more you focus on your desire, the more likely you will get it. You thus can create your own reality by gaining control over your thoughts. Most of us accept everything that comes into our experience without giving it much thought. This includes things that we want as well as things we do not want. By not being intentional with our thoughts, we create by default. However, we have to become a deliberate creator, and that happens when we purposefully and intentionally direct our thoughts to only those things that we want to experience. But the question is, how do you get control over your thoughts? Let's investigate. First, you must have a clear and specific vision of what you really desire in order to direct your thoughts towards achieving that desire. If you are hazy about the outcome you desire, you will never be able to direct your thoughts like a laser beam, and you will continue to struggle to manifest that into your life. Second, you must disregard your current reality and only focus on your future vision. For as long as you focus on your current reality, you will manifest and attract more of that into your life. You must challenge yourself to focus on your future vision in order to make that a present reality, no matter how bad your current circumstances or conditions might be. This is going to be hard, but that is the price you must pay. However, we must not think of the future vision as a future reality. There is one more thing we need to do to direct our thoughts in order to activate the law of attraction. And that is the third key to directing our thoughts. We must merge our now with our future vision. We must think the thoughts we would think if the future was a present reality. As the great philosopher Neville Goddard said, you must think from the future, not of the future. If you wish to be financially successful, think as if you are financially successful right now, not in the future. If you wish to be healthy in the future, think as if you're healthy right now, not in the future. Start to think as if you're living in the future and operate from that point of view. That is how the future becomes your now. Now let's move on to the second component of the law of attraction equation, your desire. The power of the law of attraction is directly proportional to the intensity of your desire. The stronger your desire for something, the higher your likelihood of getting it, even if you do not believe that you can accomplish it or if you do not even know how to accomplish it just yet. Let me tell you a story from the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. In 1519 AD, during the Spanish conquest of what is now modern-day Mexico, the Spanish commander Hernan Cortez wanted to seize the treasure of the Aztecs. His boats landed on the shores of Yucatan with 11 ships, 500 soldiers, and 100 sailors. But soon he found that the Aztec army had 2,000 soldiers, which was almost 4 times bigger than his army. The Aztecs were a fierce group of soldiers, and their empire had been around for over 600 years. Cortes could see the fear in his soldiers' eyes. They did not believe that they could win against an enemy 4 times their size. Some, in fact, tried to seize their ships and run back home. However, Cortes wanted to make sure that his men stayed committed to the mission, so he did something that has become the stuff of legends. He asked his men to burn their own ships. They resisted. They knew there was no way they could go back home if they burned their own ships. But Cortes said, if we are going home, we are going home in their ships. The soldiers followed the orders and burned their own ships. Now they had no way of retreating. There was no going back. Cortes' soldiers only had 2 options, win or die on the shores of the Aztec Empire. There was no other way. There was no way out. As a result of that, Cortes' soldiers fought heroically. They didn't need to question their beliefs about beating a ferocious army 4 times their size because they wanted to live. Their desire to live was so powerful that their beliefs became inconsequential. And that is how Cortes won the battle. He increased the intensity of desire of his men to an unimaginable level. The story of Hernan Cortes shows us the power of desire. The soldiers' desire to live took quantum leaps and overruled their beliefs of being incapable of defeating the mighty Aztecs. And that is the same in your life. If your desire is strong enough, you can do things that you may not yet believe are possible for you. Your desire is stronger than your beliefs. The truth is that our desires are the biggest element of the law of attraction. When your desire is very strong, you will be able to overcome every single obstacle in order to achieve it. It is therefore of utmost importance to have a burning desire for your goals. This not only makes it easier to attract what you desire, but also makes the process faster. Now let's go on to the third component of the law of attraction equation, feeling. You always attract what you think, but more importantly, you always attract what you feel. Your feelings in this moment are the ultimate indicators of what you are attracting into your life. They are the ultimate point of attraction. The more you feel your desire in an accomplished state, the more you draw vibrations of similar nature to your experience, and the stronger your emotions get towards that desire. If you feel a lack of money, you will never have enough. If you feel healthy, you will attract health. The stronger you feel about your desire, the greater are your chances of getting to your goal. The more you feel being in the accomplished state of your desire, the higher the chances of getting to your goals. Let me explain. As the great Neville said, you must feel the feelings of the wish fulfilled. You must feel right now as if you have already accomplished your future desire. Don't wait for that feeling in the future. Feel it right now, in this present moment. Don't wait for your accomplishment to make you feel something. Feel that feeling right now to accomplish what you desire. You see, most people wait to accomplish their desires in order to feel good, but that doesn't work. You must invert that equation. You must feel the good feelings of the wish fulfilled right now in order to accomplish that wish. The final component to activate the law of attraction equation is time. By the law of attraction, the more you think of something, the more you attract it by creating stronger and stronger vibrations in alignment with that thing. On the other hand, the less often you think of something, the less your chances of attracting it. The more time you spend thinking and feeling from your future vision with as much clarity as possible, the greater your chances of accomplishing that vision. You must make your desire strong and intense by spending long periods of time thinking and feeling from it. Notice I said from it, not of it. If you're not clear about the difference, I recommend you go back to component number 1 of this equation and watch it again. The longer you feel the feelings of the wish fulfilled, the more you will attract that outcome. Spend every single moment living from your future desired state in order to get it. In conclusion, the key to accomplish your greatest goals is to get the law of attraction equation right. So here is the law of attraction equation. Law of attraction activation energy is equal to thoughts multiplied by desires, multiplied by feelings, multiplied by time. Now, if you want a one-page simple PDF document explaining the law of attraction, just click on the link in the description below to get it. Anytime you're struggling to make the law of attraction work for you, just refer to this document to get clarity on what you need to improve or change. All right, my friends, activate the law of attraction in your life and do something great with your one and only life.